Let's solve this problem together. We have 4 to the power of x minus 5 to be equal to 20. So let's start by moving the 5 over to the right hand side. So we have 20. This crossing over becomes plus 5. So we have 4 to the power of x is equal to 25. From here, we take the log of both sides to have log of 4 to the power of x is equal to log of 25. Now let's recall, when I have log of a or to the power of n, this is the same as n times log of a. So our x moves to the front. We have x times log of 4 is equal to log of 25. So let's divide both sides by log of 4 to have that x is equal to log of 25 all over log of 4. So from here, our 25 is the same as 5 to the power of 2, while our 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So we have x is equal to log of 5 to the power of 2 over log of 2 to the power of 2. So x is equal to 2 times log of 5 or over 2 times log of 2. So I have x to be equal to log of 5 over log of 2. Now let's recall, when I have log of m over log of n, this is the same as log to base n of m. So our x is equal to log to base 2 of 5. So we've got the value of x. So to verify this, we'll be having 4 to the power of log to base 2 of 5 minus 5 is equal to 20. So our 4 here is 2 to the power of 2 times log to base 2 of 5 minus 5 is equal to 20. So let's move these 2 to become power of x, power of 5. We have 2 to the power of log to base 2 of 5 squared minus 5 is equal to 20. We have 2 to the power of log to base 2 of 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. So when we have a to the power of log to base a of b, our answer is equal to b. So this will become 25. We have 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. So when we subtract, we have that 20 is equal to 20. So our left hand side equals our right hand side. So our value for x is this. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.